Hey Sherry, I wanted to show you what my Expedition pannier looks like on my trike. I had a viewer a while back ask me about it, and I was going to show you what it looks like on my trike. Now this is it on my trike right here, and this is the pocket that unzips that I was telling you about in the previous video, if I can find where it unzips at. There is a zipper here. Anyway, there's a zipper here and it unzips, and anyway, this unzips here and then this unzips right here. And there's the pocket right there. And the zipper comes undone. Let me see if I can unzip that. There we go. And there's the inside of it. And there's the extra pocket on the inside right here. And there's the inside of it. And a tripod will fit if you unzip this right here. And you can have it opened up to where that right there can be opened up to where it will fit a tripod or a fishing pole that collapses or anything like that. And the other end does the same thing. You can see it right there, and it will open up and it will allow you to put a tripod or, like I said, a fishing pole, camping chair, whatever in there. And so anyway, let me get back from my trike and you can kind of see what it looks like from the side. Anyway, that gives you an idea of what it looks like on my trike. That's just one of them. I have two. And that's a low rider rack that it mounts on. That's what this is right here, is a low rider rack, and it mounts on the low rider rack. And sometime I'll do a video on that. Thank you for watching.